choosing colors. Let's dive into color. There is a lot to know about color. It is a very complicated topic. But first, let's talk about the term contrast. It's really important when you talk about color to understand the term contrast. Contrast means to show the differences between things, like how do these things contrast each other? How are they different? Did you say that the fries are large and small, hot and cold for the ice cube and the fire, and sweet and sour for the popsicle and the lemon? Colors are generally grouped by how much they contrast each other. So now let's get into the nitty-gritty of color. First, let's look at the color wheel. The color wheel can divide it in half, and that creates our first group of colors, which are the warm colors and the cool colors. You see the warm colors on one side and the cool colors are on the other. Warm colors are red, yellow, and orange, and the cool colors are purple, green, and blue. Warm colors really pop against a cool background because they are so different. In other words, they contrast each other. The next way colors can be grouped, group 2, is analogous colors. They are next to each other on the color wheel. These groups of analogous colors are also called color families. You can see I've circled them here. Color families are red, orange, and yellow, blue, green, and yellow, and purple, red, and blue. Can you see how those are colors that are mixed to create each other? Analogous colors have very little contrast and can make a work of art feel calm. You see how this one feels very calm and quiet because the colors are so similar? Contrasted colors are opposite each other on the color wheel. That's the third way colors can be grouped. The contrasting color pairs are purple and yellow, orange and blue, and green and red. If you stare at these circles, the contrast is so much your eyes can barely handle it. They'll start to kind of freak out. It's sort of interesting. So just stare at that for a minute and see what happens. Contrasting colors are opposites and can make a work of art feel energetic or intense. Knowing how colors work will help you make better color choices. Let's make smart.